Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Today for Fun Knife Friday, I thought I would show a knife that I've had for quite a while that is certainly not a top of the line knife, but it certainly functions like one. What I have here is a Cisco, C-Z-C-O, I believe is how it's spelled. Pakistani made knife. A number of different outlets have these, including Smoky Mountain Knife Works. And this is called a barrel leg jack, and kind of looks like a leg. Okay, like a foot with a stocking and a leg, and kind of looks like a barrel. Right? I'm guessing that's where the name comes from. I think it's a very old pattern. I think that this probably harkens back to our colonial era, certainly the early 1800s. Very common for people to carry a single blade folding knife for their small functions, cooking, camp kitchen, crafting tools and things, stuff like that. Now, this one here has a horn inlay in here in the center of the frame. It's a brass frame, and there's also one that has a bone inlay, and I keep meaning to order one of those and I never get around to it. I made a small poke sheath out of some scrap leather for this, and I use it for when I go to mountain man rendezvous and do period reenacting. It's a great little knife for period reenactment. Single blade. Overall length on this is about a little over 8 inches. I want to say it's about 8 1/4 inches, with a blade that's about 3 1/4 inches. Kind of a drop point pattern knife blade. Put it over here. It's a little shaded, it's a little reflective. Stamped real prominently on the hasp here, Pakistan. So probably an inexpensive stainless steel. Surprisingly, it takes a really good edge, and it holds it pretty good too, so it's not bad at all. You know, it's not perfection. You got gaps here between the frame and the locking or the spring here in the liner. It's a slip joint, just a slip joint type knife. But yeah, it's you know, it's not centered here. You can see locks into place really well. I mean, it doesn't click and walk and talk, but it's very solid. You know, I mean, I'm pushing on that spring, and I'm not worried about it closing on my hand. It's got a good spring in it. So again, that's about a 3 1/4 inch blade, and overall overall 8 1/4 inches or so. And they're cheap. They're really inexpensive. They're a little more now, but I think when I bought this many years ago for rendezvous and the like, it was going for around oh gosh, I want to say like $3 or $2, $2.99, $3.99, somewhere in there. And I don't think they're all that much more. And actually, I really like the bone handle one a lot better. I think it's a nicer looking knife. But this one's not bad at all. So there you have it. That's the Cisco barrel leg jack clasp knife, or you know, single blade jack knife, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'd share that today. So thanks for checking in, and we will talk to you later.